In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to checkerboard your Rubik's Cube. By the way, this can only work if you know how to solve your Rubik's Cube. If it's solved, then you can do it. I just learned how to solve mine. On Saturday, I decided I was going to solve Rubik's Cube. And I got all the information. Got a piece of paper. How to solve it. Two-sided. Then I finally learned how to solve it. But it takes me more than 10 minutes. But I can solve it. And if you don't know how to solve Rubik's Cube, get information. Get an app. Go on YouTube, search how to solve Rubik's Cube, and do all that stuff. It's really easy once you learn it, and just have to keep practicing to get a faster time. So, I will be teaching you right now. Here's how you checkerboard your Rubik's Cube. I actually just need to turn every single side 2 times. That's all. And then I'll be showing you right now. First, go to a side. Any side. I will be picking yellow. Turn it 2 times. 1, 2. Go to the other side. Do that again. 1, 2. Try to do this side. 1, 2. You're joking. Don't do all that stuff. It's actually really easy to actually do all that stuff. See, finally did it. Then when you want to solve it back, then basically do the same thing and solving it back again. Same thing, but just do it in reverse. Just doing 2 times. Then I got it solved. I'll be showing you a better look because you might have not seen it. So 1, 2. Same thing on the other side. Flip the side. 1, 2. 1, 2. Here, over here, do that. Then do 1, 2, 1, 2. That is how you checkerboard your Rubik's Cube. And I think this can work on 2x2s, 3x3s, 4x4s, and 5x5s. I think I can only work on those. But tell me if it works on like 6x6, 7x7, and all that stuff. So, yeah. Bye.